And hello, sir. Good morning. This is Shankana. Yes. This morning you drove in to have a part to place. That is a downstream oxygen sensor and your damaged cooling fan. The other one. And so we fixed it. We realized that the fan is working. But what we found unusual about it is whenever you start a vehicle, normally the vehicle should attain a certain temperature before the fan starts to operate. But with this, immediately you start the vehicle and the fan starts to operate while the engine is running, which is not conducive for your electrical components like the alternator and the battery. Okay, so we wanted to do a few investigations on diagnosis on that. So what we realized was you have a temperature sensor, which is electronic coolant temperature sensor one, which is directly mounted on the engine where the thermostat is, or the water jacket is or located. Then we have engine coolant